Hey everybody, so today I'm making this video about, it was a request that I had from a friend of mine, which is how to get out of a handstand safely if you fall forward. It's one of those things that really prevents people from being able to progress with their handstands, is that they're afraid when they go up, when they don't have a wall or someone to spot them, that they're gonna fall forward. And it's a very real fear, because if you don't know how to get out of it, you can really hurt yourself. So it's really just learning how to cartwheel out of your handstand. So you can see here, I'm just playing around with my handstands, and you'll see in a minute I push myself forward and I just do this little bailout here. So it's basically just doing a cartwheel to get out of your handstand. So I'll go up here again, get into my handstand, and I'm about to lose it, and then just a quick little bailout. So you can see it's all really about the hand positioning. So once I transition from a handstand, you see I kick up here and now I lose it, and I just move the hand and it turns it into a really nice easy cartwheel. It's all about understanding that hand positioning and the way that when your weight starts to transition forward, you just turn your hand like that and go over. It's that simple. And that's it. Pretty simple, hey? Once you get that technique down, you will not fear bailing out of a handstand. It's really easy. And if anyone is afraid of cartwheeling, if you don't even know how to do a cartwheel and you're wondering how you can practice this, leave a comment and I'll make a video for you guys on how to do some progressions to develop a cartwheel. But once you get this, guys, it's really simple. Your handstands don't become such a thing that encapsulates you in fear. You'll be really confident to get up knowing that if you go too far forward, you just bail out really easy and go for the next one.